Welcome to another video on the channel. Today we'll learn about what are RAG pipelines and why do we need them, right? First let's understand what is the need for RAG pipeline, why do we need them? Imagine that we are using a large language model, for example, the one that we have used till now is GPT-4o, which can generate text based on the data that it was trained on. We can ask it any questions on the data it was trained on, it will be able to answer. But let's say I want to answer questions based on my specific enterprise data, which it has no idea about. If I try to ask the questions related to that document, it would not be able to answer those questions because it does not know about that data till now. So that is the problem that these RAG pipelines are trying to solve. We provide the LLM with the specific context about the data that we are asking questions about, and then based on that context, it will be able to provide us the answers, right? This is why RAG pipelines are famous and are being developed almost everywhere. So let's look at a simple architecture on how RAG pipelines work. So here is a user on the left-hand side. He sends a query. Now that query goes to retriever. The job of the retriever is to fetch relevant set of context, relevant set of documents, relevant set of text from a large database. Now this could be this is called a vector database. It would contain the enterprise data that we are trying to query, right? This could be local, this could be on cloud. But it contains our specific data that we want to ask questions on. So this retriever sends a query to that particular database and fetches all the text which is similar to that question, right? And then this question and all of the text which is related to this question is sent to LLM. Now, what does that LLM do? LLM will understand the context which is sent to it. It will understand the question, and based on the context, it will return the response to the user, right? So what we are doing is we are not sending like our entire document library or our entire database to the LLM. We are only sending parts of it related to user query, right? Let's say I want to ask how much were the sales for the year 2022, right? Now, whatever data is there in this particular vector database related to that question, it will be fetched by the retriever, and both the query and the text will be augmented and sent to LLM. Now, based on that particular text, it will share your response. So this is how RAG pipelines work, and this is why we need them. So that's it for this video. See you in the next one. Thank you.